How to stop dog snoring. Have you ever been kept awake at night by your dog snoring? If so, you are not alone. Many pet owners face this issue, especially with certain breeds. Let's talk about how to manage snoring in dogs, particularly those with brachycephalic features. Brachycephalic breeds like Pugs and Bulldogs have unique facial structures that can lead to breathing difficulties. Their shorter skulls and faces create narrower airways, which often results in snoring and other respiratory sounds. One common condition in these breeds is Brachycephalic Airway Syndrome. This syndrome involves several anatomical issues that obstruct airflow. These include narrow nostrils, an elongated soft palate, and everted laryngeal saccules. These obstructions can make breathing harder, especially during exercise or in hot weather. So, how can you help your snoring dog? First, weight management is essential. Keeping your dog at a healthy weight can reduce pressure on their airways. If your dog is overweight, consider consulting your veterinarian for a weight loss plan. Next, make some environmental adjustments. Limit your dog's exposure to heat and humidity, as these conditions can worsen breathing issues. Ensure your dog has access to cool, well-ventilated areas to relax. Moderating exercise is also important. Avoid strenuous activities, especially in hot weather, since they can increase respiratory stress. Instead, opt for gentle walks during cooler times of the day. In some cases, surgical interventions may be necessary for severe snoring. Procedures like widening the nostrils or trimming the soft palate can significantly improve airflow. These surgeries can help reduce snoring and other respiratory symptoms. As a dog owner, it is vital to monitor your pet's breathing patterns. Any changes can indicate worsening respiratory issues. Regular checkups with your veterinarian are crucial for early detection and management of these problems. Lastly, be cautious with sedatives. They can increase respiratory risks in brachycephalic dogs, so always consult your veterinarian before using them. By understanding the causes of snoring and implementing these management strategies, you can help improve your dog's quality of life and reduce their snoring. Your furry friend will thank you for it.